you say that a certain person by some name is dead, it is only the concept of that person that separates itself and calls itself by that label which has died. The state of realization is where the sense of the me has ended. This stranger, who calls himself Tom, Dick, or Harry, has wrongly become the owner of the body. Banish him, and then you are Brahman. Bear the brand, I am Brahman, and proceed further without hesitation to the next great meeting. If only one is there, then everything has value. As soon as there are two, there is friction and conflict. Therefore, live in unity as one, alone. One who discards completely the sense of the you and me is the real son of the sadguru.